It's a great honor to have Prime Minister Modi.
Leader of India, Prime Minister Modi, my friend. When he was a young man, he worked at a cafeteria in this city. Stand.
Big developments in India US relations. President Donald Trump says India will act on illegal immigrants while Prime Minister Modi gears up for a key visit to Washington. What does this mean for the Indo Pacific, defense deals, and global security? Let's break it down. US President Donald Trump has expressed confidence that India will take the right action on the deportation of illegal immigrants. This statement followed talks with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi a day earlier. Trump said, and I quote, discussed immigration with Modi. India will do what is right when it comes to taking back illegal immigrants. End quote. President Trump also revealed that Prime Minister Modi is expected to visit the United States sometime in February. However, India's Ministry of External Affairs has not yet confirmed the visit. Plans for the visit include meetings at the White House, which Trump described as a reflection of the strong friendship and strategic ties between the United States and India. Prime Minister Modi shared his reaction to the conversation on X, formerly known as Twitter. He wrote, and I quote, delighted to speak with my dear friend, President at the rate, real Donald Trump. Congratulated him on his historic second term. We are committed to a mutually beneficial and trusted partnership. We will work together for the welfare of our people and towards global peace, prosperity, and security. End quote. During their conversation, the two leaders discussed ways to deepen the strategic partnership between India and the US. Key areas of focus included security in the Indo Pacific region, the Middle East, and Europe. President Trump emphasized the importance of India increasing its purchase of American made defense equipment, pushing for a more balanced trade relationship. The conversation also highlighted India's role within the Indo Pacific Quad alliance. The US and India reaffirmed their commitment to strengthening collaboration under the Quad framework. The statement noted that India is set to host the Quad Leaders Summit for the first time later this year, underscoring its pivotal role in regional security and cooperation. From immigration to defense and regional leadership, the India US partnership is poised for a significant boost. As PM Modi's visit to Washington looms, all eyes are on how these developments will shape global geopolitics. Stay tuned for more updates.